Joe, do you need to go?
Yeah, what happened?
You skipped it. You were just excited.
I was just so excited. I'm like, he had the camera on me, so I kept going. Yeah.
And Ryan, welcome, and he's first on the agenda.
Right.
Are you gonna give us your Hanson's helpful hints? That's nice. I'll be in there about 10:15, take a lot of notes. I'll have some ideas, maybe some suggestions. Then we're grabbing a quick bite at 11. Then we have that panel for the Board of Realtors at 12 right there in Litchfield. So it might be, this evening or maybe tomorrow morning before I can call you back because I've got some appointments this afternoon. Little baby. So we're here in Litchfield by the Sea and previewing a property for a potential listing, out-of-state owner that was referred to me by a past client. And Litchfield by the Sea is really a neat resort. If you want to stay on the south end of the Grand Strand and kind of have a slower pace, Litchfield by the Sea is great. So we're in Lakeside Villas. This particular property, Lakeside Villas, are 2 units in one building. So a half duplex, 3-bedroom, 3-bath. And each bedroom has its own bathroom, which is a great advantage. They're set up for rentals or certainly just second homes, but this property has got a beautiful lake view and spacious. All the bedrooms are very good size. I mean, the unit itself is close to 1,900 heated square feet. So sold furnished around in the 380 range. So really good value in a wonderful place called Litchfield by the Sea. Wonderful amenities here, so check it out. What are we doing? I'm driving.
Well, yeah, but where are we headed?
So we are in Litchfield today. There is a panel that Stephanie and I are going to be on. It's put on by the Board of Realtors, where we're going to be talking about building a brand. How do you build a brand in real estate? So we're looking forward to sharing some thoughts and learning some things. I need to learn always, but it'll be a fun time. There's several other panelists, so yeah, it's going to be a great day.
We are happy to have as our panelists, we have Elizabeth Ferrero with Rivertown Property Inspections. Next to her, we have Erica Davis from Guild Mortgage, sorry. Then we have Tiffany Herrera with RE/MAX Southern Shores. And then we have Stephanie and Greg Sisson of RE/MAX First Choice.
I want to say congratulations to everyone that's here, because out of I don't know how many agents now we have, and I know there's people here this morning that maybe aren't here, but just to take time out of your day to come and learn, you're in the very small percentage of people that are doing that. So good job. And I'm going to learn something today. I already did. You educated me earlier, but I'm going to learn something from these guys.
Client, let them know that you build your business, on clients, and ask them, how's the process? You go to a listing appointment or meet with the buyer and they have a job, you won't believe how much they'll be like, oh my gosh, you thought about my baby.
When I hear him talking and negotiating deals with people, he is constantly encouraging the other agent and telling them what they're doing good and they're negotiating. And I think that's, again, your reputation can be even with another agent, because when you hear an agent's name, do you want to work with them? I mean, obviously you have to work with who you're given, but it makes it a better experience when you know the person on the other side of the deal is going to be pleasant to work with.
And then marketing just became a passion of mine, and sharing our story, what we're doing that's unique to the area with realtors and with our clients and with all the other team.
Investing in yourself is so important. We talk about investing in all these things to create business, but investing in yourself, and I think about a brand, I think about image. I heard that word a lot, and people make decisions so fast whether they want to hire you or not. Think about a listing presentation. So think about the way our shoes shine. How does our hair look, and how do we look in terms of an image? We can always be upgrading. I'm not talking about spending a ton of money, but the smile. I talked to my team the other day about just smile more. Like people, you got one, use it, right? People want to work with people that are just have an attitude. That's free. And so that's a brand, is your enthusiasm and how you present yourself. And lastly, I wrote down, knowledge equals confidence, ignorance equals fear. And just investing in yourself, meaning know your craft. Like, you're here for a reason. Is anybody planning to retire in the next 2 years? 2 years. Okay, so we might as well work the next 2 years being good at our craft. I mean, these numbers are here for us. Just know your craft, and I just appreciate y'all being here, and just you being here shows that you do want to learn. So congratulations on that.